Hello, my name is Krystal, and I'm a member of the Miami Children's Museum's theater troupe. Today, we are learning about Yalda Night, a celebration of the winter solstice as part of our month-long celebration of the holiday season. Yalda Night has been celebrated in Iran since the ancient times, as well as in Central Asian countries such as Afghanistan. Now, Yalda Night means night of birth, and it is celebrated on the longest and darkest night of the year, otherwise known as the winter solstice. This usually happens on or around December 21st, and it has a really neat history. The ancient Persians relied on farming for their livelihood, and they constantly had to adjust to the seasons. They discovered that after this long, long night, the nights get shorter and the days get longer, and that's plenty of reason to celebrate. It also represents the sun god overcoming the power of darkness. Pretty neat, huh? And nowadays, it's a night in which families and friends get together to eat delicious food and sing and drink tea and stay up past midnight and read stories and poetry together. There are many traditions connected to Yalda Night. One of them is drinking loose leaf cardamom Persian tea. It is prepared in a traditional samovar, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare your tea Yalda style. Grab a grown-up and let's head to the kitchen. Hello, so welcome to my kitchen. Here's a couple of things that we're going to need for our very special Yalda Night Celebration Tea. We're going to need loose leaf tea, a little strainer, small, a teapot and a teacup, some sugar, a spoon, a kettle, and some water. I put water in the kettle already, and it is on high heat. Make sure you have your grown-up to do that for you. So we're gonna wait until it starts steaming. Meanwhile, while we wait, we can do our next step. You're gonna get your loose leaf tea and your teapot. Open up your teapot, grab your spoon, and get the appropriate amount. So I'm just one person, so I'm going to put 1 scoop of tea. That should be about 2 cups for me. If you have more people, you can put more scoops. We're going to have that ready to go. So once the water is ready, we're going to put the water in the teapot. If you're wondering when your water is ready to go, well, most kettles make a really loud noise. Yep, that's it. It's ready. We're going to remove it from the heat, turn it off, and let's pour our hot water into our cute little teapot. Well, that seems ready to me. We're going to leave that there to steep for the recommended amount of time, which is going to be, it could be anything from 3 minutes if you want it right away, or the traditional way is to make it really concentrated, so you have to wait 10 to 15 minutes. Time to wait. Once it's time, we're going to put the tea into our cute little teapot. You're going to grab your strainer, place it on top so it catches all the leaves. I like to put my hand up at the top and I pour. And look at that, if you lift it up, it caught the leaves. Now, a tradition is, instead of using sugar, to put a candy in your mouth to sweeten your tea. So you would put the candy in your mouth and take a sip. Be careful, it's going to be hot. But if you do not have candy, you can just use some sugar for today. I like to put 1 scoop. Not too much, not too little. 1 spoonful. Bloop. Nice stir. And ta-da! Your tea is ready. Let's go enjoy it together. Now that we have our tea, we can enjoy it together and learn a little more about Yalda Night. So, there are a lot of songs that you sing And one song that you can sing is about the tea itself. Here's a traditional folk song, and the words in English are, "Quickly prepare the yellow samovar in a garden of flowers for my heart full of sadness." Aww. There's lots of songs on Yalda Night. Let's take a sip. Delicious. In the Luristan area, when the sun goes down on Yalda Night, the young people come out and they wear some scarves, they hang them on their neighbors' roofs, and they ask for treats by singing a special song on their neighbor's roof. Here are the words in English. Take a sip and you can repeat after me. O people of this house, upon God's will, this household will be blessed, and the elderly in your house won't go. Give some treats to this little boy or girl. Great job! Oh, thank you so much for singing with me. Make sure to give us a follow, a share, and to subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful and safe holiday season.